Hi everyone, my name is Wonderson Jackson. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a super quick landing page using Magic UI and V0. So the topic of this landing page will be about, let's say, a CRM for construction workers. Let's design a landing page, or actually, you know what? I'll use my voice to do this. So the app that I'm using is Whisper. You can actually try it out. It's really cool. Yeah, let's use that to make this landing page. Let's create a landing page for a CRM for construction companies. Make it modern, clean, and using Magic UI for this. Make it very descriptive, but not too extensive. And break down how the CRM for construction companies solve their problem. And you see it here, it's gonna start coming up with this little description here. I think the thing that I really like about Whisper is that it comes up, it takes out all of those rumbles and noise that it can cause and just makes the writing super fast. So we have this prompt here. I think that's good to go. Let's try it out. And here in V0, we're gonna, in the meantime, what is Magic UI? Magic UI is just this awesome components library for landing page. They have loads and loads of components, and it's also based on top of Shadcn UI. So I think it's like really straightforward, really nice. And they have these sets of components such as beamer, particles, and those nice animations. So we're going to be using some of these for our landing page. So you're going to come back here. I think the landing page is being built. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. This copy seems pretty good. Let's see the key features. Let's just see, let it finish, and then we can come back and fix this. In the meantime, actually, you know what we can do is just like open the projects. Just create the project in the folder that you wish. And in my case, I want to go in the playground. And in here, you can start a Shadcn project. So you're going to see npx Shadcn at latest. So you can just init to initiate it. And then there you go. It's going to start initiating and kick off a project. If there's nothing going on, just press Y. So it's going to start. And let's say build CRM. So there you go. It's going to start taking, it's going to take a few minutes. In the meantime, we can come back to our landing page, see how it's looking. I think this seems pretty good. Oh, the issue that it was having here, it's gone. So we have the hero section, the feature section, how we solve problems. That's pretty important when you're building a landing page. You want to have like a part that explains the main pain points of the person or your target audience pretty much. And then what we're gonna do now is check, do we like this? I think this does the job for now. Let's just ask it to elevate a bit more. So we're gonna ask, elevate the landing page and make the design even better and modern. All right, let's go there. Let's see if our project is already built. Oh, we want to choose like New York or default. Let's choose default. Let's use Zinc. And for our theming variables, we say yes. Okay, there you go. And we want to list, see if we can find a project. Oh, just do CD to navigate in the folder. CD build CRM. And yeah, there you go. All is set there. So what you want to do is go into your cursor. So if you don't know what is cursor, you can check the link below. It's an AI code editor. And for those who already know it, just open the cursor and search for the project that we just created. So we're going to come here, build CRM, open the project. And there you go. You have already the foundation of the project, like this, all of this boilerplate. You're going to open the terminal here, open one of those folders, like the page, for example. And then we want to run this. We're going to just say bun dev or npm run dev, however you wish. It would be cool, just put it right here at the side. You see it have this boilerplate code showing the Next.js. So we're just gonna set up like this, keep it all cute and nice here. And what we want to start doing is removing all of this boilerplate. Just put h1 hello world. There you go. So this is all we need for now. We just remove also this import because we're not using it. and we want to put use client here on the top. So what we're going to do now is just go back to our website. Oh, it did some small updates. This looks pretty good. I like it. It looks a bit more modern. And let's see, I think, how it solves the problem. This. Okay, this tabs is a bit off. I think we can do even better with that. So let's come here and just say improve the... All right. Improve the how we solve your problems section. At the moment, the layout is a bit broken. Make a different variation and make it even better. So one cool thing about using V0 is that you can constantly iterate its specific parts, and it's going to take the context of the current code and start to just improving based on its already building. So the hero section, I really like it. These key features, as you can see, they have like some sort of animation here. On the hover, it looks really smooth. I really like that. And let's come back to our code. So I think this is one thing that we can use for now. Let's see what it's going to give us as the output. And then we're going to see the full landing page coming out right off the bat. Let's check the preview. So it's going to start building the preview. And mind you, I just saw it here and I just thought, okay, I'm going to record this video. So this was not really planned through. Everything is just coming out like on the go. So you're going to see some small iterations and mixes. It's kind of like how things happen more in real life. It's like we have to really think through, reconsider things, go back and forth and try to make sure that we are coming up with the best solution possible for our specific needs. One interesting thing is like if you want to add a specific component, all you need to do is npx shadcn at latest and then add, and then we choose from this library of components that we have here so that it's going to work. So let's come back here. This is the landing page that it gave us. I think this does a pretty good job for now. What we want to do here is come in this upper part, select this, add to code base, copy this link, come inside of your project. We're going to open the terminal here. Just clear this up a little bit. And we're going to open here a new terminal. And we're going to paste that command here. Press enter. Yeah, so there you go. It installed everything. And if you check for this, you're going to find it right here. It created this components and this enhanced construction CRM landing page. As you see all of these errors, this means is because we didn't install probably all of the components necessary. Let's see if that's the case. You only have card, buttons, and okay, that's weird. It should be already importing. Okay, you know what? The best thing to do is npx shadcn at latest, and then you can say add and press enter. When you do that, it's going to ask you which component to specifically want to install. In my case, I generally like selecting all of them. So you just press A on the keyboard. As you see here, you can type space to select one specific, or A on the keyboard to toggle all. So you're going to just toggle all and just press enter. There you go. So you're going to start installing all of the libraries. Let's go. Let's just wait a little moment. I'm going to speed up the video so that you don't have to wait for this installation process. Install. I'm just going to say yes, override all of those. Just override it because previously it was complaining. And there you go. I think the landing page is starting to take shape. Let's see here the link. We want to import, as it's using link, we want to make sure we're using Next.js link. Yeah, so you're going to use next link. I think import next link. What else is happening here? Active time is assigned but never used. So this error is just because of lack of usage. I think this is good for now. Actually, we want to change this to image. So we want to use next image. We want to also set a width because sometimes it's going to give some error. All right, there you go. So we set a height and a width. There you go. We're gonna do the same for all of the image because this is better for it's like better performance and it's like way optimized. Image. There you go. And then we set a width and height. Yeah, so we have this here. We've set up our code a little bit. We improved it. So what we're gonna do now is go into our page.tsx in the root folder of app, and we're gonna want to import that in here. So as you see, cursor already gives you a suggestion. So I love cursor tabs for that because it generally knows what probably will be your next step. So we're gonna just import that. You see it gives us this little import here. We managed to import it, and there you go. We already have like a beautiful landing page ready to go. So it needs a little bit of adjustment here. As you can see, the layout is a bit crooked. Let's see if that's if it's a layout issue. Yes, it is a layout issue, but I think it seems that is already getting somewhere. We want to, there's a starter, we have features. You can hover here and you have already a very beautiful landing page. So what we want to do is just some small improvements, because remember, we always need to be iterating on these landing pages and make sure that we get the best results possible. So in order to do that, we want to just come back here and fix that. So we're going to come back here inside of our page.tsx. On the keyboard, you can click Option. I don't remember what exactly it is for Windows. Sorry, I haven't used Windows in a very, very long time. What we want to do is improve this section. I think this is the main issue that I'm facing right now. So we're going to just do Command L, and we want to say improve the how we solve your construction challenges section. The layout is a bit broken and it's not responsive. So make it responsive and even better. Let's see, it took some notes. Okay, let's see what's gonna do now. So as you can see, just remember to make this keep running in the background. And it's gonna start to work on improving this. Okay, there you go. It started to improve this even more. So let's just press accept and see the full view. All right, so this looks way better now. And as we become even more and more specific about what we want, like this is way better. So as you can see, it shows these tabs here and it looks really cool. And as you can see, the layout is kind of crooked. So it's good to use the resources from here. So you just take this and add it inside of your chat. As you can see, the landing pages is getting better, but there's still some layouting issues. It currently has alignment to the left, so we want to make sure the content of the entire landing page is centered. So this way, let's see what's gonna say. I hope it's gonna actually center the content, or we can actually go here in the code and try to fix it ourselves. But why not use the AI to do that work for us? All right, thank you. You can close the door if possible. The distraction is gone. So now we have the content of the landing page like really centered, really well organized, because we're using container. I think this container keeps things really in check. It makes it really nice. We can also use the full view, but for now we're gonna keep it like that. So we're gonna start here. I like this. This section is working. This section is working. What I don't like is that here don't have no image yet. You can actually put a placeholder image. We're gonna come here and create a folder called public. And here we're gonna have assets. Right, there you go. You have the assets. I'm gonna search for an image that I think would look cool there and just... I added this image of this place for this placeholder image. And what we want to do with that is just like make sure that we put some image here, just at least just as a placeholder. So this is my choice. We can use whatever image that represents the product best. As we don't have that, I'm just going to use that temporarily. And now we want to change, and we want to actually change this placeholder image here. Okay, so this is this. this kind of solves it for now. So, let's just ask it to improve the layout, overall layout of this landing page. Let's use voice. Improve the overall layout of this landing page in the sense of specifically layout wise. We want the content to be centered, but at the moment it has a container that is kind of restricting the full view of the section. I think that makes sense. All right, let's apply this. Apply this to the entire code. It is a tiny bit slow today for some reason, because generally it's like crazy speed. Like, it's gonna literally just refactor the entire page, so don't mind it. I think maybe because it's too much of a big task. All right, now it's getting into something that I was actually hoping for. So this is good. This is very good. The layout is working. I'm really happy with this landing page for now. I know it can be better, but I think for now this does quite the job. It have the hero section. It shows the key features. It shows how we solve the specific problems. And then you have a little bit of, see a bit of the app, like the app demo. And here is where you capture email or actually get them started. So, and here you can start a free trial. That's pretty good. That's like a good foundation for building landing pages. Happy with this. What we can do now is using Magic UI. So let's come here to Magic UI and let's check what exactly we want to start using. So we want to use this little animation, word fading. So gradual this or word fading. Actually, let's use gradual spacing. So I'm going to use npm. I'm going to come back in the cursor project. I'm going to just come here, copy paste the link that we copied and install it. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to start installing a little bit here for us. Then there you go. You already have this working. So what we want to do is make sure that we actually use it. So how to use it? We just need to wrap our text in the hero section using this. So this is how we want to use this. So let's go gradual spacing text for the hero section. So let's just come here in the hero section. How do you find the hero section? It is not that complicated. So we want to wrap this with this code. So we're gonna import this. We're gonna paste it here. Now gradual spacing. Yeah, so it's important, but I've never used. Don't worry about that. Then we come back here in the hero section and we want to wrap this with it. So we want to just say here, Command K and use gradual spacing. Good. We accept it. And there you go. You already have this. Just press save. Just say improve this and remove the gradient. So you just want to remove that little gradient because it made it a bit weird as you saw in the animation. Come back here and let's go. There you go. You have a little nice animation going on here. I think that's nice. And I think that's how you can start just like adding. I think this video became a bit extensive. Sorry about that. But that is how you can start using the power of Magic UI to improve your interface. Let's maybe just add one more little thing here. Maybe let's use a nice background. Retro grid. I think this retro grid looks really cool. We can actually use it. So just let's use this for the hero section. So we're going to come back here, come in we copied, paste the command here, paste it and run it. And what we want to do is we're going to use this hero section to use that little background animation that we just. So we're going to say, do the following. Add the, what is the name of it? Retro grid. So the retro grid component and use it in the hero section. there you go. You're gonna just run that and let's see how it's gonna go. See if it's gonna, what it's gonna update. Space grading, So it's wrapping this entire section in the hero. So we wanna use that. So we're gonna apply it right now. And this is just the last part. I think I'm gonna do another video continuing this landing page because I really enjoy it. You can come back here and check how our landing page is looking. There you go. You have a full responsive landing page. It is really looks very modern. If you reload it here, you have this little animation here in the hero section. You can apply it into any other parts, but I really like that it has this background coming up here. And yeah, and it's also responsive, by the way, just you know, you can inspect and you see how it will look and perform in, and this grid retro animation is also working. That's really cool. You have this working menu, so you just all need to continue building out. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Sorry if it was a bit extensive. I had a little bit of noise going on in the background, so I ended up extending the video a bit more than necessary. But this is kind of like how the workflow in the day-to-day life goes, is never super planned. Yeah, if you have a bit of thought process, you know exactly what you want to build, sometimes it helps, but still it's good to be building things in small pieces using AI instead of trying to do a big thing, because it ends up not giving the best results. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.